So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal 7 days, 7 messages reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. Give me a second. From 26 till the 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Please keep in mind these are journal messages. Don't take them too personally, and even if it is going to resonate 100% with you, keep in mind this is not your personal reading, honey. Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings on my YouTube channel is your responsibility, and me and my channel are not responsible for that. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see the overall energy for Aquarius people for this week. Come here, babes. Come here. So the overall energy for this week is there is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you, a spiritual quest. You might be keeping yourself stuck on something or someone from quite a long time now, and the time has come for you guys to understand there is something better waiting for you on the horizon. So release that thing or that person or that situation. Do what you know is right for you, not what you think is right for you, right? There is a difference between what I think is right for me and what actually is right. So try to do what actually is right for you. Spiritual quest for some of you, you guys will start going on some kind of spiritual journey, spiritual quest from this week onwards. So make sure you are doing the right thing. That's important. For 20th, we have the 4 of Gabriel, time for celebration, abundant rewards for your hard work, release yourself from burdensome situation. Take a break, Aquarius. Just enjoy the little things in your life. You can go to a date with yourself, okay? Just have the ice cream party that you always wanted. Just go to watch that fucking movie that you always wanted to watch. Don't be afraid of celebrating your life with yourself, okay? And if you are invited somewhere where you know you are going to have a lot of fun, just go there and have fun, right? You guys are going to be rewarded for your hard work too. Maybe organizing a party is the hard work, maybe your career. So whatever it is, you are going to be rewarded. Release yourself from the burdensome situation and start loving your life, taking care of yourself. 21st, we have the 9 of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled, hard work leads to great success. So you guys are going to get some kind of success here. 20th is also saying that, 21st is also saying that. Okay, a love for the beautiful things in your life is going to get enhanced because your heart chakra energies are going to get activated if you guys are going to allow it to happen. Okay, so success is different for every person. The definition of success is very different for every person. Let's say, for example, a person who is severely depressed, they are not even getting up from the bed in the morning. If they are getting up, if they are just looking at the sun for some time, that is a success for them. For others of us, success is like making 1 million a day. For others of us, for my kind of people, for me, success is doing my meditations and working on my mental health every day deliberately. That is success. So hard work, whatever you are working for, whatever you are trying to achieve here, you are going to get success accordingly, okay, according to your energies and thoughts. So we have 20th, 21st, 22nd, we have the Queen of Ariel. Nurture yourself and those you love. Okay, start connecting with those people, with those energies, with whom you feel really loved and really cared for, and the vice versa. And of course with yourself. The ability to make anything more beautiful now, this day is really beautiful, and you guys can make this more beautiful because you have the ability, you have the power, and you have the energy. Practical and wise advice, somebody might give you some kind of advice when you will be least expecting to get some kind of advice from someone. You might end up getting some kind of very practical and wise advice. Now nobody is telling you to act upon the advice straight away, but you can note it down and you can think about it, because it can change a lot of things for you if you guys are going to take it in a positive way. 20th, 1st, 2nd, 23rd, we have the Strength card. Strength and grace through kindness. The more you are going to be kinder, the more you are going to gain strength and grace in your life. Kindness is actually a really, really, really uh, courageous kind of thing to do. When you are struggling with your own life and still you are kind with others, kind to the humanity, then you are a really, really courageous person. So work on this. It is going to give you more and more strength and grace. But start with yourself. Hmm? We often forget to be kind with ourselves. Self confidence is the key to achieve something really meaningful and good, and forgiveness. Start with yourself. Always start with yourself. Come back to yourself. You are your home, you are your roots. So we have 20th, 21st, 2nd, 3rd, 24th, we have the 7 of Michael. There's a better course of action available to you. Now don't get so stubborn that I know everything. My way is the highway. I do that a lot of times, but I regret it after some time. But try not to do this my way or highway is the only way to do things. Try, there is a better course of action available to you, so think about that. Working alone may not be the best answer. You can connect with somebody to unload your burden for some time, or you can hire somebody to work with you, collaborate with somebody to work with you. Review all the details, especially if you guys are doing some kind of collaboration or partnership. Reviewing all the details of that partnership, reviewing all the details of that, what we call that, uh, agreement or something is very, very important. Read all the terms and conditions, understand each and everything properly before you guys are going to sign something, right? That's very, very important. 25th, we have the lovers. Make choices from your heart. Follow your heart instead of listening too much to your mind. Make choices from your heart. Deeply emotional commitments can happen. It can be commitment towards a person, a situation, your career, or to yourself. The power of love. You guys are going to understand the power of unconditional love. When you start giving unconditionally, when you start loving, when you become love yourself and you start loving everything and everyone, you are going to have a different kind of power. You are going to feel a different kind of energy. You can experiment that when you are going to start doing heart chakra meditation with all of your heart and soul, not just listening, just doing it properly. Every day, you are going to feel a shift and a change in your energies, big, big, big time. It happens with me every time I start doing heart chakra meditations. Within 7 to 8 days, I feel like I myself is love and everything, everyone around me is love, right? Love is not sex, love is not lust, love is not getting obsessed with somebody, no, love is not codependency, love is not all of this bullshit. I am going to make a dedicated video about what true love is and how to distinguish between true love and everything else. Then on the 26th, we have the Empress, time to act upon your plans. If you might be planning and planning and planning and not acting upon it, so what's the use of making the fucking plans, honey? Now it's the time to act upon it. Creativity is rewarded. Rewarded, again, reward success is a very subjective thing. For everyone, it is different, right? So luxurious or abundant resources, you guys are going to get some kind of good resources, good income, good money maybe. So take care of that. Don't take them for granted. Let's see the final messages of guidance for you guys for this week. Aquarius, तेरी ले लूं बलाए तेरे सदके इश्का विछड़िया तू कखदा निसानू. Okay, 5 of Ariel, you need not go through your current situation alone, challenges alone. Take help from somebody who can guide you guys, who can guide you guys, who can help you guys to come out of a uncomfortable situation of your life. Help is nearby only. All you have to do is ask for it, look for it, and you are going to get it. Bingo. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Now, you might be thinking your negative thinking towards life, towards a certain situation of your life, is your ultimate reality, which is not. It's just your thinking, it's just your mind. So, that's what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you, honey. Namaste.